Okay, now this is part 2 of classes. Okay, we will correct the error first, fix the error. Okay, the error is loops this. Okay, because this is not now static. With the static, this is not used. Loop 1 and this. Okay, it should correct the error. I write 6, I translate it. Okay, this is 6 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and do while, for and while, fatal error on call to private method. Okay, this is private method, so it is showing error. Okay, now what about the multiple classes? I write an abstract class. Abstract class loop rules. Loop rules. Loop rules. In loop rules, I have abstract function, public, abstract function for loop. Okay, public abstract function while loop. Okay, these are the two functions. And now this loops class will use loop rules. These are the rules. Okay, rules means for loop function and while loop function must be defined, otherwise there will be an error. Okay, let's see. If I comment this, okay, what will be the error? Okay, I write 6. Okay, declaration of loops for loop must be compatible with loop rules for loop. Okay, declaration of loops. So this is abstract loop rules, and now I change it. Okay, change this. Okay, there is some other problem. While loop counter. So this is because of this public abstract function. Okay, so this is while loop, for loop. There is problem with the for loop, and because of this argument con, the signature must be, this is called signature must be same. Okay, now see 6, translate. Okay, both are working, no error. Now I comment this for loop. Okay, in the child class, this is called child class. Okay, I comment it, and now see what it says. 6. Okay, class loop contains one abstract method and must therefore be declared abstract or implement the remaining methods. So you have to implement all the abstract methods. Okay, if I extend loop rules, any class extends loop rules, that class must have two functions, for loop and while loop. So I have commented this. So this is not the rule. Okay, so these are rules for the classes. This is called parent class, this is called child class, and if I make the object of parent class loop rules, there should be an object. Okay, let's see. Dollar loop rules, loop rule is equal to new loop rules. Okay, let's see what is the output. Okay, first I have to uncomment this to see other error. Okay, okay, undefined index, uncut error, cannot initiate abstract class. We cannot instantiate, means we cannot make objects of loop rules, because this is an abstract class. This is not an ordinary class, this is an abstract class. So similar with the interface, for the multi-polymorphism, multiple inheritance, this is used, and this is called inheritance. Extends means inherit. Inherit all the rules here, all the functions here, all the data here, okay, and implement inside it. Right? So this was all about classes. Then from the next lecture we will develop a profile system using object-oriented programming. So remember this .conf, this is very important. Okay, thank you.